What's going on, guys? I have a quick little video for you guys today, but first I want to give you a little update on the car, what's going on with that. So as you know, we're about to start the M Sport body kit conversion. I've got the side skirts, a couple carbon fiber pieces. At this point, I'm just waiting on the front and rear bumper. I should have those early next week, but as soon as those come in, we'll get all this stuff painted and we'll put it on the car. At the end of the year, I like to do a little recap video and talk about some of my favorite car products from the past year. That way, if you're either trying to finish up the last of your Christmas shopping or maybe you just want to treat yourself to something nice, hopefully this video gives you some ideas. So the first thing that I want to recommend is the pressure washer and foam cannon. I got this set up last spring and it has absolutely changed the way that I wash my car. If you've never used a foam cannon before, they're super fun. They reduce scratches and swirl marks during your regular car wash. And this is one of those things that I really should have got years ago. So I'm using a Greenworks pressure washer with the Adams foam cannon, and a setup like this is really like having your own personal quarter car wash right in your driveway. I'm telling you, you're gonna have so much fun with this stuff. You're gonna be power washing your house, your sidewalk, maybe your kids. I don't know, it's gonna change your life if you decide to pick one of these up. Don't forget to get some good foaming car soap as well. I'm using the Adams Ultra Foam Shampoo. If the headlights on your car are badly faded, I highly recommend this Meguiar's Headlight Restoration Kit. It comes with enough supplies to do your lights a couple of times. I think the box recommends like once or twice per year. I did a video back in January using this stuff, and with over 500,000 views, it was my most successful video the past year. And just based on the comments, everyone who bought the product and tried it really seemed to like it. I know that the results that I got were really good, just as the box would describe. And best of all, this stuff was pretty cheap. I think these kits go for around $25, much cheaper than replacing your headlights, but I'll drop some links down below if you want to check this stuff out. This past year, I've been trying out a couple different products from Meguiar's line of ceramic waxes, and so far I've been really impressed. It's cool that you can get such good results from products that you can basically buy anywhere. For me, these check all the boxes as far as ease of use, longevity, price, and availability. Now, I don't have any direct affiliation with Meguiar's. Matter of fact, if you watch my videos, I use quite a few different brands in my arsenal, but as far as waxes go, these have been some of my favorite that I bought this year. Now, if you're buying wax as a gift, don't forget some nice microfiber towels. We can never have too many of these. Another popular video from the past year was the magnetic phone mount. I did a video installing one in my E90, and now of course I've got one in the F30. I've tried a couple different kinds of phone mounts throughout the years. The ones that suction cup to the windshield. I've tried the ones that stick on the vent, but this is my favorite one that I've tried so far. So the way it works is you install this magnet in your dashboard, and then there's a steel plate that sticks on the back of your phone, and then bloop, just like that, it just sticks. It doesn't obstruct your view of the road like with the windshield, and it doesn't block any of your air vents. I think that's why I like this kind so much. These are vehicle specific mounts, but they make these for a handful of BMW models. Lastly, we have this kerosene space heater. Now this thing is my best friend when it comes to working out here in the winter time. These videos that I shoot in the garage would not be possible from like November to March if it weren't for that heater that you see in the background back there. It actually gets so warm in here that I can run that thing for an hour and shut it off, and just like the insulation in my garage will keep the heat in. It runs off of this 1K kerosene, which you can buy at pretty much any hardware store. Sometimes you can even find this stuff at gas stations. You just have to make sure it's the clean burning 1K kerosene. And then it also comes with this little like kerosene enema thing. That's what you use to get the stuff from the bottle into the reservoir in the heater. Now, since it works by burning fuel, of course you want to keep a fire extinguisher and a carbon monoxide detector nearby whenever you're using it. Now, I've had this on for probably the last hour and a half that I've been out here filming, and as you can see, it's reading 0, so it does burn very clean. In fact, just to test this thing out one day, just to see if it was working, I started my car with the garage closed, and within like 30 seconds this thing was going off like crazy. But I can be out here for hours and I don't have a problem with carbon monoxide, but just make sure that you get one of these detectors just to be safe. If you're looking for a simple heating solution for your garage that's just way more efficient than electricity and a little bit cheaper and easier to set up than say like a natural gas furnace, these kerosene heaters are a great option. Alright, so one little bonus gift idea, since you guys seem to like when I include some skateboarding in my videos. I recently got this Element rail and I've been having a lot of fun with it.